Hi, this is Natalie with Vive Health. Welcome to the lower body series. Make sure you always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine. Let's come to the front of your mat, please. Finding your feet about hip width apart. Shift your weight towards your heels and sit back into a chair. We are focusing on beginner lower body right now. So if you need to hold on to something or if you want a chair for anything, completely up to you. Find what is good for you. Make sure you're not going too low in anything, or if you can, go for it. So deep inhales and exhales. We're just warming up these legs so that we can stretch them really well. So this is chair pose. You can bring your hands to your heart. The weight goes into the right leg right now. We're gonna shift this left leg back. So you're in a lunge. You can be a little bit closer or further apart. Just make sure this right knee is on top of that right heel. Holding it here for a few breaths. If you'd like to drop the left heel to get a little bit more of a calf stretch, you can. Right now you're working your thighs as well as stretching the inner hip right here. And you can also be stretching that calf muscle by dropping that heel. It really kind of varies to what you want to stretch right now. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Good. Now we're gonna just drop the left foot open. So we're warrior prepping it, placing the foot down. We're making sure this right knee pulls out, it doesn't fall in. You should be able to see that big right toe. The hip should be lateral. If it starts sinking in, open it up. Imagine that there's a wall behind you, not completely flat because we're human and we have natural curvatures, but you want to be open and nice and tall. From here, the right arm is in front if you'd like. Left arm is behind for warrior two. Holding this here, you're getting a little bit more of a stretch in the hip right here to the thigh, as well as you're working the medial glute by pulling this knee out. That's the side glute right here. It's a smaller glute muscle, butt muscle. Next, we're gonna straighten this right leg. Reach out in front of you as we drop this right hand down. We're getting more of a stretch on the inside of this right leg, dropping the right hand down. The left hand can be up here just like so. If you can go further, go further. If it gets a little bit dizzy looking up or you lose your balance, just look front or you can look down towards the ground. So right now, again, focusing on the legs, we're stretching the inside here. Now we're gonna go ahead and bend the right leg, come back up to warrior two, hands to your heart, shift your chest towards the front. You always wanna make sure you don't pivot that knee. So we're gonna pick up that heel and bring it to the front, facing forward with your foot. It's a hinge joint. Lean forward, step forward to chair again. If you can sink it down a little, sink it down a little bit. Make sure your knees are not going over in front. Chair pose is almost like you become a chair and somebody can sit on top of you. You're sitting back. Watch out for those knees. Other side now, left leg in front, right leg back here for a left lunge, shoulders back, navel in and up. Again, being mindful of this side here. Both hips can be facing front. You can drop that right hip a little bit more forward so you get a deeper stretch on the inner right thigh. You're working this left thigh right here as you're holding yourself up. And if you'd like to drop that right heel down for a nice calf stretch, go for it. Shoulders back, deep breathing. Wonderful. Holding for a few more moments here. Working the muscles. This is called an isometric stretch. You're holding yourself up by actively engaging those muscle fibers to keep into one place. So you're really becoming a lot more warmer too. Right here, we're gonna open up this hip, prop that foot down, kissing the ground. There should always be a slight bend in this knee. Open up the hips. Make sure your hips are nice and level. This left knee pulls out. You should see that big left toe. Really work this medial glute. You're starting to lift a little taller, shoulders back. Left arm in front, right arm behind here. Now we're gonna stretch the inside of this left leg by going into triangle. So you're straightening that left leg, reaching out in front of you, dropping this left arm down, right arm comes up to the sky, deep inhale, steady exhale. Good. Again, you can look down towards the ground if looking up makes you feel a little dizzy or a little bit losing of your balance, and you don't have to be as far down as me, or you might be further. You just want to maintain a flat curvature right here, no curvature, so flat right here of your thoracic cavity. So basically your chest right here, opening it up. Then we're gonna bend the left knee if you can, but you're really reaching this right leg, arm up to the sky, finding that left Warrior two. Hands come to your heart now. Shift your chest to the front. Pivot the back foot. Lean forward, step forward. Find your chair pose right here. Very good. Take a deep inhale, lift up. Hands come on your hip. This is somewhere where you may want to hold on to something, and that's okay. You're going to cross your right leg in front of your left. You're going to go ahead and lean forward onto your hips. If you can go a little bit further all the way down to the ground, you can, or maybe you're holding a chair in front of you, and that's fine too. If you can go all the way down to the ground, go ahead and release it. You're stretching your IT band here, really good for opening up to have some good circulation on those nerves. A lot of people get sciatica. You might do this stretch to help get it back out and into place and relieve any pressure on that nerve. Then from here, you can exhale a little bit further, see if you can go a little deeper. Then we're gently gonna walk up or come up however you feel comfortable. Make sure your spine is completely stable. Unleash, left leg front now. Shoulders back, hinge from the hips. You can hang onto a chair or come on down. Finding your breath work in and out. Exhaling to go down a little further. Then inhaling to come on up. Very good. Unleash those legs. Then we're gonna come on down to the ground, so take your time getting down there. All the way. We're gonna place both feet front. Back is flat. Toes are towards your nose and you're hinging a little bit. You don't wanna be going down, especially if you don't have the flexibility there and you don't wanna be hurting that back. So right up here is fine, unless if you feel like you can go further, then walk your hands further. Don't try to reach up and over, that's bad for your back. You can come down and just hold it here. Deep inhale, steady exhale. Then we're gonna walk it on up. From here, our feet are going to kiss, just like so. Lifting up and opening up those hips and coming on down. Staying here with your next exhale, come on down just a little bit further. One more time, just a little bit further. Then we're gonna inhale on up, bring those legs together. We're actually gonna come all the way around onto all fours here. From here, you're gonna bring this right leg on the outside of this right hand. However you get it there, that's fine. Holding it here. If you can, walk those hands further and inch that foot up. Your knee should always be on top of that heel, not in front, not in back, and hold it here, really opening up these hips, the lower portion of your body here. If you feel like you're putting too much tension in those shoulders, press them down, squeeze your core. Deep inhale, exhale, sink in just a little bit more. Then watch out for your back left knee. We're gonna walk those hands back, curl the toes up and extend this right leg long, so you're stretching out that hamstring here. You can either be here, make sure if you want to, you can hold onto a wall or something if this is too invasive for you, and hold on to your hips, but you might want something because it is a little shaky when you come up without anything. Holding it here. Next, we're gonna bend this right knee, hands come on the inside of that right foot again, wiggle that foot back or however you get it there. Left leg comes up and forward, knee on top of heel, both hands on the inside of that left foot and dropping the hips down and holding it here. Deep inhale, steady exhale. Really allow yourself to sink in here. And then from here, watch out for this right knee. We're gonna walk the hands back, curl the toes under, hinge from the hips, or stay up, whatever you prefer. Be gentle with yourself. Good, good, good. Then we're gonna go ahead and walk the hands back forward, both hands on the inside of that left leg. You can go ahead and move onto a seated position, or you can come onto your back if you want to just hit pause in Shavasana there. But if not, come up with me and close your eyes and just take a calming breath in. Allow your hips to open up, your legs to feel a little bit more relaxed and loose. Then bring your hands on top of your heart and take a moment just to feel grateful for the things you have and the things you love. Namaste.